zero ohm extension, arc flash, prevention, mitigation. All right, so if you're using your tools, remember that air dielectric. If you're using your tools, you do not want anything in that air dielectric. Why? Because you're always going to protect your best friend. You don't want to get close with your body, with a conductor, with equipment. You want to protect that air dielectric. Get away from that conductor. Put that conductor in front of you. Put some space right there, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. We inspected our area and we see that we have a vault, a tight cabinet, or we see that we have some phases nearby. Maybe we're working in the substation and we're seeing that we have some another hot bus next to that phase, that X that we want to make contact with. So what we're going to do is we're going to mitigate that situation easily. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from this scenario where that hot bus is inside our air dielectric, and if it is, we don't have air dielectric. You just kicked your best friend to the curb. But we're going to use a zero ohm extension, and we're going to go ahead and this happens. Or maybe you have a tight cabinet. You get on that, or a concentric. You put on that zero ohm extension, bam. You'll never have an arc flash. Y'all get that? You understand? You can use two of these on, if you need two of them. On your quarter tools, if you're in a tight switching cabinet and you got to take the secondary probe and you're doing some phasing or whatever in your secondary probe, like we have here in the ground, you get that secondary probe right there, put a zero ohm extension on it and on your meter probe. All right? Y'all get that? So mitigate that. It's important. This is a training video we have at Bierer Meters YouTube channel. Just go down the playlist, look for safety training, and you'll pick this up. And watch it. It's very important. Again, always use the proper accessory on the end. Always. Okay?